Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Spaziale Vivaldi 2 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to give it a tune-up, which means we had to rescale all of these boilers, the steam boiler and the brew boiler of the machine. And this takes quite, it's a very long procedure, as you basically need to insert this scaler into both of these boilers and then rinse it out completely, which takes a lot of rinsing cycles and a lot of water to go through. So we did that. We also deep clean the roof head of the machine, deep clean the portafilter, replace the shower screen of the machine as well. We also replaced the gasket, the expansion valve over there. Focus. Right here and below here there's an expansion valve and that expansion valve was leaking because the gasket was all worn out. We disassembled the entire valve, deep cleaner, removed the scale buildup and replaced that gasket, and as you can see there's no leaks or nothing coming out through there. We also replaced the vacuum release for this machine. This one that you see right here, this was not providing a good seal inside the boiler and it was letting steam escape through here. So again, we did a bit of work and now we're gonna test it out, starting with 1 shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right condensation of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see it with coffee or coffee barely dripping. You can see we got all the way to 10 bars. We're starting to see slowly a little drip coming out of the water filter. Nice steady drip. Great crema forming on top of the espresso. 'You can see that thick layer of crema on top of it. Two ounces and a half, that's how the customer programmed it. And as you can see on our shot, we had a nice thick layer of crema. Great lines over here, you can see them. Nice shot of espresso. Steam for this machine, as you can see, pretty powerful, excellent steam, some modern steam, excellent making, and hot water, having a nice dirty flame, working perfectly. So there you have it, the Spaziale Vivaldi 2 working once again, ready to brew, and it's getting served. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.